Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best bathtub rails that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Carex white bathtub rail for seniors and elderly. This bathtub rail is going to offer a sturdy and firm grip. For this reason, it allows you to have a safe entrance or exit from your tub. With a wide area of contact, you will realize that these rails help to evenly distribute your weight. The rails have also been proven to promote independence among people with special needs. They, therefore, do not require any assistance getting in or out of the tub. Water and bath oils are likely to cause slippery tubs when they become wet. There is however no reason to worry about that with these rails since they offer strong support to prevent balance loss. These rails also come in a modern and classy design that make them attractive and also functional in any bathroom. Since there will be no tools needed for assembling these rails, the installation will be very easy. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Vive heavy-duty bathtub safety rail. If you are looking to safely exit and enter in your tub, this is the bathtub that you require. The rail has a non-slip grip which allows it to support a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds. They are secure rails which provide additional security and stability. You, therefore, do not expect any accidents to happen to your seniors and people recovering from injuries. Given that these rails can be easily adjusted, they will be ideal for people with different height needs. The ergonomic rail has also been made in a scratch-resistant design which is also very easy to clean. The installation of these rails is tool-free, which makes them easy to install. You also need to buy with confidence now that these rails come with a lifetime guarantee from the manufacturer. At number 3, we have the Vaunn Medical Adjustable Safety Rail. The Vaunn Bathtub Safety Rail is going to give support to individuals as they get in or out of the tub. You can, therefore, be sure to eliminate any falls or unfortunate accidents in the bathroom. These rails feature padded rubber clamps with a sturdy locking mechanism to allow the rail to easily clamp on the tub side. The heavy-duty construction for the rail allows it to support a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds. Other than having a tool-free assembly, you will appreciate that the fit can be easily customized. For this reason, rail becomes ideal for people of different height needs. Another great thing about rail is that it comes in a very lightweight, allowing you to carry it anywhere with ease. The modern and compact design for this rail, on the other hand, will perfectly blend with any bathroom. At number 2, we have the Bluestone Bathtub Safety Rail with adjustable clamp and rubber grips. To begin the review is this bathtub safety rail that has a height of 19.5 inches, which comes as a great aid for the seniors and the elderly. It has been made with rubberized grips which will keep the bar very firm in place, leaving the tub's surface undamaged. Another thing that you will appreciate about this bathtub safety rail is that it has a very simple installation. Since the safety rail is very easy to adjust, you can rest assured that it will be safe for everyone. The construction of this safety rail, on the other hand, makes use of heavy-duty iron and plastic materials. It is for this reason why the rails support a maximum weight capacity of 250 pounds. Given the affordable nature of these rails, you have all the reasons to purchase them. And finally, at number 1, we have the Healthline Steel Bathtub Rail for elderly and seniors. Anybody who is concerned about their bathroom safety will definitely want to consider these rails. They have been made in a design to offer support to individuals who will be getting in and out of the tub. One of the things that make these rails ideal for the job is that they can be easily adjusted to suit the needs of different users. In short, these rails will prevent falls and injuries in the bathroom. When it comes to installation, you will realize that there are no tools needed for that, which allows you to install them in minutes. Their construction, on the other hand, will never damage the surface of your tub. Apart from that, they have a very secure grip to guarantee maximum comfort. Another thing that you will appreciate these rails yet is that they have a lightweight and portable design. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.